All right, welcome to our channel, Kono Pro. This is the third installment on this balcony repair video. We're going to be finishing off the waterproofing, getting everything ready for hot mop. So if this is something you have to do, this is a good and valuable video for you to watch so you have an idea of what's going on. All right, and if you like this video and you find value in it, please give us a thumbs up. We appreciate you all, and thanks for taking your time to watch this video, and we hope it helps you. Sincerely.
So we're throwing some Space Invader foam in between some of the areas that are big gaps. Then we're going to throw some angle along the edge, some sheet metal. Then we also threw another 2x6 on top of this. Then we wrapped it with flashing. We put our bottom flashing, and we put our cat flashing on the top. And then, as far as the Forta flash, then we're going to put some sheet metal flashing as well as basically a sill pan. And then we're going to run some angle flashing all around the perimeter, and then a little flashing around that pipe, and then some flashing along our seams.
See that blocking right there? That's our perimeter blocking. You'll need at least 10 inches high of perimeter blocking around the whole balcony, so it's good for hot mop. All right, there it is. Hope you saw how we did that and it makes a little sense to you. But we have all our perimeter flashing. We even added some flashing to all of our seams. We have our sill pan flashing. We're ready for hot mop. So now we're going to schedule the hot mop and we'll see you on the next video, everybody. We appreciate you taking your time. Kona Pro out.